Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we are looking at my nails, so that means that we'll be doing a nail video today. I know that you guys, some of you really enjoy these and wanted to see more, so I have one coming for you today. But the purpose of this nail video is that I did get a lot of products in recently, so I'm going to show you all the products that I've received. I have here a lot of gel polishes, so I'm going to swatch them all for you, and I just laid out this white sheet of paper. All the items that I'm going to show you I did get from AliExpress, and the brand is Rosalind. Okay guys, so there seems to be like two different lines here that I picked out. We have like the regular professional line, and then we have like the colorful line. So I got number 38 in the back, 44, 49, 55, 56, and 57, and these are the coordinating colors. So these ones are kind of similar. This one just seems to have a little bit more green, and that one has a tad bit more blue. And we have the professional line, which is 33, 35, 43, 50, 58, and 51. Oh, I tried to put it in order, but apparently I messed up on that one. But these are the colors. So we have like some muted pinks and like mauves and taupes, and have a nice, very pretty, like not like a baby blue, but almost like it's like a muted blue as well. We have a pretty like a watermelon pink. We have a really pale kind of nude color, and then we have a little orange there. And then I also received just a base coat and their top coat. Also, I did get some gel paints, and these are you can cure these with UV and LED. And basically the color that you see here is the color on the inside. I thought these were really cool. I actually played a little bit with the purple. Yeah, I played a little bit with the purple, and the color is very vibrant. I don't really want to open all of them, but I'm telling you guys, these are very vibrant colors here. You know, like look at that gold, y'all. That is so pretty. I'm sorry my hands are ashy, I just washed them. And then we have some Gel Favor gel paints as well, and I've been really eyeing this color, so I'm deciding if I want to use this color today. So yeah, these gel paints were really interesting. I also received this brush here, so it has like a scraper tool on one end, and then the other end is a brush. It received some Polygel, which is quick building, so I got the colors nude. This one is soft pink, and we have pearl pink. Also did get some dual forms, and I've used these in the past, but we'll give them another go. I've seen polygel being applied with these. So basically you would like put the product inside here, smooth it out. You would press this onto your nail and then cure it under your UV or LED lamp. So we're actually gonna try all this out today. I don't know if I'm going to use the polishes today, but I'll probably do another video using those. But I really like the color of the nude, so I want to try the nude in the dual forms. Also, I'm going to be using the base coat and top coat, and I also just brought out my little alcohol to kind of make the polygel more pliable. And this bottle is just from Dollar Tree. You just pump up the alcohol. Try it out. This is not a very expensive polygel, so you should be able to, you know, test things out, see if you would like the application process. So let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna use the base coat. I'm just going to cure this with my lamp. Cured my base gel in my UV lamp, and it also is a good idea to go ahead and pick out your nails for your dual form. So I have mine here. I'm going to squeeze some out. And stick it in there. It's pretty sticky, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some alcohol. I don't want it to be too long. Gonna have to add more at the bottom. I had this sitting on the floor, and I find it to be a little tough coming out of the tube, just a little bit. So Gonna smooth all of this out. It's a little sticky and stuff, but I'm gonna press this down. You want to make sure that it's covering side to side. I'm just gonna clean up around my cuticle. So as I was molding this, I found it to be, I think I did it very thick. So I'm gonna try to mold it a little better. Didn't want the bottom. I think I definitely used a little too much. This is what it looks like. I don't know if I'm feeling the color that much anymore, but I'm gonna cure it and show you guys what it looks like. So let's see. Supposed to rock it back and forth. See that it's got like a little edge by the cuticle, but we'll work that out. On top, it really doesn't look too terrible, but underneath I kind of made it very thick underneath, so I think that I'll use less product next time. So again, on top doesn't really look bad at all, but my issue lies with how thick I'll put the gel on the inside. I may have to pull out my drill, so I may pull out my drill and like fix that at the end. But I am gonna go a little shorter, but we're gonna get the rest of these nails on and see what they end up looking like. So I have one more nail to do, this one right here. This hand I've already put like the top coat on, but this is what it looks like. You know, color is very pretty. I have decided to paint them though, so I'm going to use one of my gel polishes to paint these. But this one I just buffed up and I'm about to put the last nail on. I found that you don't need a whole lot with working with this, so it's been like the thinner the better, and I'm just learning that the less I use the better. Let me turn it off, turn this music off so I don't get copyrighted. But anyway, just trying to smooth it down. Really trying to thin it out, but not miss a spot though. Okay. Like, this is my first time really working with this product, so I'm learning. Because I keep having to use my drill to clean up underneath, so I'm like, keep trying to thin it out, but my thin isn't enough. Heck it on the opposite side. Make sure. Alrighty, gonna cook it. Okay, so it has baked. Now just to wiggle it up off. Okie dokie. I know it's hard to see because I'm like moving all over the place. I'm just trying to get rid of that ledge that I had created because I'm not perfect at doing this. But that was pretty good. So it kind of helps if the form is a little bigger, I see. Ooh, child, that took like all the strength I had. Okay, so anyway, now we can get to business. I love new files. New files file so good, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Can I just get a little bit farther out? Okay. Okay, so y'all can kind of see what I mean by like how thick it is. So now have to go in and file that part as well. So gonna screw in one of these little sanding whatchamacalls. Okay. Took it down quite a bit. I don't want to be really thin, but I'm pretty satisfied with that. All right, so I mean, for my first time trying a polygel, that was pretty cool. So I'm gonna finish it off with the top coat. Again, I am gonna paint these, which I guess I really shouldn't be putting a top coat on top, but I don't know, I want y'all to get the full effect. So okay guys, so I decided to use this color here. It's not very fallish, but it is like a deeper, it's a deeper green. Like it's showing up a little bit brighter on camera. And yeah, this is gonna take me 2 coats. Okay, so this was just the first coat and I just wiped it, so that's why it looks dull. So now I'm going in with my second coat. Okay guys, we're almost done just top coating it off. So just gonna take the top coat, get a nice adequate amount on there. Honestly, with gel polish, less is more, like, honestly, because if you do a whole lot, then you will get bubbles, then it'll start like peeling up. So just make sure that you guys do light coats. If I did do like a thicker layer, then I would make sure to make sure that I cure it twice, because if not, then you'll get those bubbles forming. So either, you know, gotta do your thin coats or leave it in for extra amount. All right, so here are my finished nails. I really like them. I still need to clean them up, but that's just gonna fall off after, you know, you shower and stuff. But this is what my nails look like. I really love this color. Like, ooh, honey. And that was color 44, and I used the Gel Favor Nude Polygel. All of these items, you can find them on Rosalind's AliExpress store, so check out the links in the description box. You also can find a drill just like this on their site. Like, I love my little drill. And it comes with some different changing heads and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little nail video. I know I haven't done one in a really long time, but if you enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you want to see more videos like this. Also, go ahead and, if you like this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and also turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell. You'll be notified when I upload new videos. And last but not least, leave a comment down below. What do you think about this color? Have you ever tried polygel, any brand? Not particularly this one, but have you tried polygel at all? What do you think of it? Like, I think it's really cool. I've been seeing it for a while, but I've never got the chance to try it, and now I have. So I'm open to, you know, doing more with polygel. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.